How then, having looked at those items, do we initialize a deal? A deal takes many forms, takes many characters. Of utmost significance is to ask yourself, what is the nature of the actors? Is it a deal between private players? Is it a deal between public institutions? Why that is important is because if you are dealing with public institutions, then you must remember there are issues around procurement that you must align yourself with. You'd want to ask yourself, do we need to go for an expression of interest? Number two, as part of the initialization of a transaction or a deal, we must always align with the clients. What do I mean? You cannot get into a transaction before you sit and yourself push the client to enable you understand what first the understanding of the deal is, and you interrogate what they really want to achieve from that transaction. So it also helps you be able to be in a good place, a better place to make any informed interventions, ask the relevant questions in terms of whether that deal would make sense for that client or not. You want to ask the client about the objects of a deal. Sometimes your client is a public sector player. It's not always the case that for a public sector player, then profits is a driving concern. They could be in that deal for purposes of social progression. It could be that they're in that deal because of impact. They could be in that deal for many other reasons. Now, what then will be the obligations of that party in relation to that transaction? Those objectives are the things that will inform what their expectations are and what they will be giving on the other hand would be. If the transaction is in the hands of a private entity, more often than not, then profit is a primary concern. So you then ask yourself, how do you ensure that you put the client in a place where they've been able to get the maximum and most deserved benefit of whatever transaction they are getting into.